Another question is that can boys and girls be just friends?
Would you introduce me to your sister and mother to be friend with them? I know people think of me as cunning, but would you? Of course not.
Okay.
Then why would you accept you becoming friend to other people's daughters and sisters and not allowing them to become friends with your sister? That's what the Prophet said alayhi salatu wasalam to the man who came to him. Hadith ajib. A man comes, the Prophet sitting with his companions, said, Prophet of Allah? Said, yes. Said, give me permission to make zina. The companions stood up, wanted to beat the hell out of this man. Ma tastahi. You ask this from Prophet alayhi salam? You crazy? So the Prophet said, no. Leave him. Leave him to me. Come, my son. Would you like it for your mother? Do you like zina to be permitted for your mother? Said, no, Prophet of Allah. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on you. Okay? The guy is not understanding how could such a question be posed. The Prophet said, likewise, people don't like it for their mothers. Would you like it for your sister? Would you like it for your aunt? Would you like it for your daughter? And the man said, no. Ja'alani Allahu fidak. Then the Prophet said, likewise, people don't like it to others. And then he put his hand on his chest. Allahumma tahhir qalbah wa ahsin farjah. Oh Allah, purify his heart and make his private part chaste, not indulging in haram. Khalas. End of the story. So when you come and say to me, can't we be just friends between a man and a woman? This can be possible if you are not a real man. If you're impotent. Maybe it's possible because you're out of production. You're expired. But still it's haram. Because you're still considered. You have a problem with hormones. Maybe you should see the doctor. Because there is no friendship, none whatsoever between a man and a woman. Even if she's older than him. There will always come a time when shaitan beautifies her. And this is the beauty of Islam. That it is from Allah, not from me or from you. أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ وَهُوَ اللَّطِيفُ الْخَبِيرُ. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's the one who created and he's the one who knows what's good for you and what's bad.